Good morning, everyone. This is Urubu Bible Reading Platform. We will continue with Matthew chapter 1, verse 13 to 16 in Urubu language. Obi ri Matthew, uyowi royin ovo awo royin ikwera rite ikwegbesan. Verse 13. Zerubbabel koye ose re Ahiud. Ahiud koye ose re Eliakim. Eliakim koye ose Azor. Verse 14. Azor koye ose ri Zadok. Zadok koye ose re Hakim. Hakim koye ose re Eliud. Verse 15. Eliud koye ose re Eleazar. Eleazar koye ose ri Matan. Matan koye ose ri Jacob. Verse 16. Jacob koye ose ri Joseph re Oshari ri Mary rovie Jesu rese Christi. Thank you from Simeon.